Students, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So today we are solving ISI M.Math paper and we have taken the objective one. So MMA paper which has been held on 2025. We are solving this one and we have raised the first question. So let's see how we can solve it together. The number of factors of 2025 including 1 and itself equals to. So first how we can solve that? Very easy. We have to do the prime factorization. So prime factorization of 2025. So first we will divide by smallest prime number. So 2025 divided by 5, that counts to 405. Then 405 again I will divide that with by 5, that counts to 81. Now we know 81 is equals to 3 to the power 4. So 2025 is equals to 5 square multiplied by 3 to the power 4. Now first we use the formula to count factors. We know, like if n is equals to p to the power a, q to the power b and r to the power c, then number of factors of n will be what? The number of factors of n will be a plus 1, b plus 1, c plus 1. So then similarly for 2025 it will be 3 to the power 4 multiplied 5 to the power 2. So then the number of factors will be 4 plus 1, 2 plus 1. So that's 5 multiplied by 3. So the correct answer is 15.